Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Giantmouse ACE Sonoma here with me for a quick unboxing and review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. Because, basically unboxing is just a box and business card, so nothing really interesting going on over there. Very, very simple. And we have a nice one, guys. This is the Giantmouse Sonoma knife. Overall length is gonna be right 8 inches with a 3.5 overall inch long blade with maybe 3.2 cutting edge, and I would say 4.5 handle length. So it's not a small one, but it's slim, it's slick, it's nice, it's snappy, it has a nice action. I like it. It's very strong detent. This is a Giantmouse Sonoma frame lock, titanium, stone washed finish with some nice anodized pivot colors. And overall, it's nicely chamfered. There's no internal skeletonization going on, and it's made in China. This is it's very well made, I have to say. It's sporting M390 steel. It has a nice sound. When you open, it's nice and clacky. When you close it, it's solid, not too loud, but snappy. I appreciate that. Also, what I like is the weight. This is going to be 3.6 ounces in the pocket, and the grip is nice. There's a little bit of hot spot created by this weird-looking pocket clip. I'm not a fan. That's the only part that I really don't like about this knife. It's this clip. But overall, this guy is running on ceramic ball bearings, has a ceramic detent ball, has stainless steel lock face insert with over travel lock bar, stop right integrated into it, nice pivot colors, nice stone wash going on, M390 steel, satin, blade. It checks almost all the boxes. It's a nice one, it's sleek, it's good looking, the sound is good, and the grip is also interesting, except for this little maybe hot spot going on over here. But centered blade, nice bronze anodized, matching with the clip titanium back spacer, lanyard hole integrated. It's a good one. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full length review, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.